First time you boot up after you install Berryboot on your hard drive, you're going to see the welcome screen. I like to pick not to disable overscan. I like to enable overscan just in case your TV things go off the side, then you'll be able to adjust it. You won't be missing anything. Pick wired connection or Wi-Fi connection and your local area. And next screen, you're going to be able to put in your password for your Wi-Fi, and then it'll give you a list of all the available operating systems that Berryboot has by default that you can pick from. Okay, first it's going to ask you where do you want to put it. Right here, the SE32G is the card. The UltraFit is the flash drive. I'm going to put it on the flash drive, and you can also choose the type of file system you want. I'm just going to go with ext4. It's going to reformat. It's going to reformat the UltraFit or the flash drive. Yours will have different names depending on what you get, and then it's going to show you some options. What do you want to different operating systems that you can install. We're going to go ahead and pick Debian, which is the default. Click OK. It's going to download. Once it's done, it'll say installation finished. You can click OK. It's going to reboot. And it will show you a list of all the operating systems you have. If you want to add more, click the Edit button, and you can pick something else to install. We'll just pick OpenELEC. Click OK. It's going to download that. And then the next time you boot, you're going to have two OSs that you can pick from to boot into. You can put as many on here as can fit on your SD card or your flash drive or your network storage if you chose that option. Okay, once it's done, when you click exit, it's going to reboot. Okay, now it has two operating systems. Now if we go into the edit menu, we can set the default. So we'll set the Raspbian as a default. Also, you can change your configurations here. Here's where you would put any kind of overscan settings, other things like that. Here's your command line. That is the default boot time set to 10 seconds. It's also showing the drive that we're booting to. When you exit, now it's going to reboot. When it comes up, Raspbian is set as the default, and there's going to be 10-second wait time before it boots. Okay, after the 10 seconds has passed, or whatever you set it to, it's going to boot into the default operating system. If you want to pick something else at that boot menu, you just hit the up and down arrows or use the mouse and click on you want, select the one you want, and click boot. You can always change the default also.